Frosting icing tubes and pouches. Not sure what to use? This video is for you. Now, frosting tends to be a catch-all term for multiple products, including icing and buttercream. That tub you find over in the cake mix aisle, that's great for covering a sheet cake. But if you want to decorate, we recommend using the Wilton Decorator icing. It's similar to an American-style buttercream. It comes in both 4-pound and 1-pound container and is the perfect consistency for piping decorations using a traditional bag and tip. Want to get the kids involved or skip the step of mixing your colors? Then the Wilton Decorator Icing Pouches are the perfect mess-free option. They come in 9 different colors and are the first in the US market to come with 4 piping tips included. Decorator icing tubes are also a great, easy option for smaller projects and ideal for writing. For cookie decorating, nothing beats the new Wilton cookie icing. It's ready to go right from the bottle and has a similar consistency to royal icing. We created this product so it's super friendly for beginners to use. It's perfect for outlining and covering your cookies, especially during a busy holiday season. And they dry hard so you can stack them. For the finishing touch on any of your desserts, pick up the Wilton Sparkle Gel. This is perfect for adding fun accents and writing glittery messages. So no matter what dessert you're decorating at home, the Wilton assortment of icings will help you create, share, and fearlessly enjoy.